Welcome to Immature Designer. It's been a long time since I posted a new video, and this content will be more about user experience design rather than being about UI design or animation illustration, about which I have already posted many videos which you can go back to in my channel and see. Let's talk more about experience design this time, more about landing page design of a website. Let's see, first of all, jumping into this first mobile screen. So throughout this video I'll be telling about how you can make your home page design, what are the do's and don'ts, and the highlights that you need to keep in mind. But firstly we will see some examples, and through examples one by one I'll be explaining what are the major points to be noted. Firstly, when you see this particular website, it is mobin.com, and this is its landing page, wherein what you firstly see is this big bold sentence saying discover real world design inspiration. Now what you understood when you read this sentence, it's all about design inspiration, and then over here you're seeing the logo keep on changing, so you understand that it is also displaying inspirations from different brands like Uber, Airbnb. And then when you go down slowly, you will be seeing a trust factor. So this website is just not some random website. It also is trusted by design teams at Uber, Meta, Airbnb. So just placing all the big names. You are having again logos. When you scroll up, giving me more understanding of what they have to give and what they have built till now. So over here up till now they are building a brand. They're showing what they are. They're building a trust. First, what you got is that they told what they are and what they have to give us. Over here only you get some social proofs, but when you just a little bit scrolling and you get social proofs. And the next thing is that who are their target audience. So design inspiration, this word design already defines that who is going to be their target audience. And the main thing that you want to highlight on your landing page, the landing screen, you don't have to give a lot of elements to make the user understand. You have to keep it simple, but you have to make people understand from that simplicity itself. Now over here you can see that they have said design. Any random person, when it comes to this page, just like that, when they jump here, when they read this sentence, they won't be able to read it, and this website will not be useful to them. But then it's not your loss. Why? Because they were never your target audience. Your target audience were designers. They wrote something that was for their target audience. It should also not be any jargon, something internal, something coming from your own business that the user is not able to relate. Moving on to some other interesting website is over here. Now I will show you one comparison. This is Slack. You all know this particular software for internal business communications, or some formal communication and all. You can use Slack. Again, you can see where work happens. A small sentence, you can understand this is related to work. They have also highlighted work. This is the word that you see when you land on this page, the first word, work. Next is social proof again. So you see it, right? Landing page should showcase the brand, what you do, what are you here for, what you are going to give to your user. It should be the words that you're writing should be for your target audience. Again, check. So next thing would be it should be optimized for different devices. So when you're making a landing page, just optimize it for different devices, just because landing page is the page when the user is landing for the first time, right? Now if I'm a new user, I will definitely directly go to some landing page, so at least that should be device friendly. You don't want to spoil my experience, right? So at least the first impression should be right. So make your first impression your first landing page for all kinds of devices. And also important thing is include multiple CTAs. The more you have, the more options you give to the user, the more the chances of user clicking on those options increases. Now look over here, how many CTAs are there? Get started, find your subscription, request a demo, just get started. Get started is 2 times get started. Just they want you to get started somehow. If you don't give a CTA, the user will never know, the user will never come to explore. So just give it, just try. And also, it's important that your whole look of and feel of the whole website should be you should stay on the brand. Basically, you should also keep the website dynamic. Now, what do I mean by dynamic is that keep your website updated. If you have a new social proof being added, a new partner being added, just place that on your website. If you have any new achievement, just like, oh, the more updated it is, the more trustworthy it is for the user, and the more user will understand that, okay, this is up to date, this is not something old that I'm going to, this is something new that I'm going to explore, right? You should be able to tell them that who you are, what you have to give them. You should be writing things on the screen which is for your target audience. Then you should be optimizing for multiple devices, include multiple CTAs, stay on the brand, and keep the website dynamic. Also, use design to showcase your USP. What's your USP? Now, I have made my point. There were around 6-7 points that I made, which I think was helpful to you all and would be able to guide you while you are designing your landing page and your website. So that's all. Thank you.